Oil, the lifeblood of modern civilization, its price, a barometer of global economic health. Recent years have witnessed dramatic fluctuations in oil prices, sending shockwaves through the global economy. From the shale oil revolution to geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, a multitude of factors contribute to this volatility. The stakes are high. Energy security is paramount. Nations are grappling with the challenge of securing reliable and affordable energy sources. South Korea, a nation heavily reliant on energy imports, understands these stakes all too well. As a global economic powerhouse, its industry and prosperity hinge on a steady supply of energy. The specter of energy insecurity looms large. Yet a recent discovery off its shores promises to reshape its energy landscape and potentially alter the global energy equation. The discovery of a significant oil reserve in Pohang Yonggol Bay has injected a much-needed dose of optimism into South Korea's energy outlook. This discovery, while in its early stages, holds the potential to transform South Korea from an energy importer to a significant regional player. The implications are far-reaching, touching upon geopolitics, economic growth, and South Korea's role on the world stage. This newfound energy wealth presents both opportunities and challenges. South Korea must navigate a complex web of geopolitical considerations, environmental concerns, and investment decisions. The world is watching closely, eager to see how this oil revolution unfolds and what it means for the future of energy. The Pohang Yonggol Bay, a seemingly unremarkable stretch of water off South Korea's eastern coast, has become the epicenter of the nation's energy hopes. It was here, beneath the waves, that a team of geologists struck black gold. The discovery, announced in early 2024, sent ripples of excitement and disbelief throughout the country. Initial estimates suggested a reserve of substantial size, potentially enough to satisfy South Korea's energy needs for decades. The discovery was the culmination of years of exploration and technological advancements. South Korea, driven by its energy security concerns, had been intensifying its efforts to explore domestic energy resources. This commitment to innovation and exploration paid off in a spectacular fashion. The Pohang Yonggol Bay discovery was not merely a stroke of luck, but a testament to South Korean ingenuity and determination. The news of the discovery spread like wildfire, electrifying the nation and capturing the attention of the world. Suddenly, South Korea, a country heavily reliant on imported energy, was on the cusp of energy independence. The implications were profound, not just for South Korea but for the entire region. The Asian energy landscape was about to be redrawn. The discovery also injected a sense of national pride and optimism into the South Korean psyche. Here was tangible proof that South Korea, despite its lack of natural resources, could overcome challenges and emerge as a leader in the global energy arena. The Pohang Yonggol Bay discovery was more than just an oil find. It was a symbol of South Korean resilience and ambition. The Pohang Yonggol Bay discovery is a game-changer for South Korea's energy landscape. As a country heavily reliant on energy imports, primarily from the Middle East, this discovery offers a path towards energy independence. No longer will South Korea be at the mercy of volatile global oil markets or geopolitical tensions in distant lands. The ability to source a significant portion of its energy domestically provides a level of security and stability that was previously unimaginable. This newfound energy independence also translates into economic benefits. Reduced reliance on energy imports means a healthier balance of trade and a boost to the South Korean economy. The influx of capital and investment associated with oil production will create jobs, stimulate economic growth, and strengthen South Korea's position as a global economic powerhouse. The impact extends beyond South Korea's borders. The discovery has the potential to reshape the regional energy market. South Korea, once a major energy importer, could become a net exporter of energy, supplying its neighbors and reducing their reliance on traditional energy suppliers. This shift in energy dynamics has significant geopolitical implications, particularly in a region as strategically important as Asia. The discovery also provides South Korea with leverage in international negotiations. As a major energy player, South Korea's voice will carry more weight on the global stage. It can engage in energy diplomacy, forge new partnerships, and play a more influential role in shaping the global energy agenda. Section 4. Seoul's stock market surge, a vote of confidence. The news of the Pohang Yonggol Bay oil discovery reverberated through the halls of the Korea Exchange in Seoul. The stock market, a sensitive barometer of investor sentiment, reacted with unbridled enthusiasm. Share prices of energy companies, particularly those involved in exploration and production, skyrocketed. The KOSP Index, South Korea's benchmark stock market index, experienced a surge unlike anything seen in recent years. Investors, both domestic and international, were quick to grasp the significance of the discovery. The potential for South Korea to become a major oil producer was simply too enticing to ignore. a wave of capital flowed into the South Korean stock market, seeking to capitalize on the anticipated oil boom. The energy sector became the darling of investors, with analysts issuing bullish forecasts and predicting a prolonged period of growth. This surge in stock prices was not merely speculative frenzy. It reflected a fundamental shift in the perception of South Korea's economic prospects. The Pohang Yonggol Bay discovery had transformed South Korea from an energy-dependent nation into a potential energy powerhouse. This newfound status instilled confidence in investors, who saw a bright future for the South Korean economy. The government, recognizing the transformative potential of this discovery, took steps to create a favorable investment climate. Regulations were streamlined, incentives were offered, and a clear message was sent to the world. South Korea was open for business. This proactive approach further fueled investor confidence, solidifying Seoul's position as a prime destination for energy investment. Section 5. The World Watches International Reactions and Implications. The Pohang Yonggil Bay oil discovery did not escape the notice of the international community. Governments, energy analysts, and industry leaders around the world took note of this significant development. The discovery sent ripples through the global energy market, prompting a reassessment of energy forecasts and geopolitical calculations. The United States, a long-standing ally of South Korea, welcomed the discovery, viewing it as a positive development for regional stability. A more energy-independent South Korea would be a stronger ally, capable of playing a more active role in regional security. Furthermore, the discovery had the potential to diversify global oil supplies, reducing reliance on traditional producers in the Middle East. China, South Korea's largest trading partner and a major energy consumer, also expressed interest in the discovery. The prospect of a new source of oil, particularly one located so close to its shores, was strategically significant. China, with its insatiable appetite for energy, saw an opportunity to secure energy supplies and reduce its dependence on distant suppliers. The reactions from OPEC members were more nuanced. While publicly congratulating South Korea on its discovery, some members privately expressed concerns about the potential impact on global oil prices. An influx of South Korean oil into the market could disrupt the delicate supply-demand balance, potentially driving down prices. This development was closely monitored by OPEC, which sought to maintain its grip on the global oil market. Section 6. Energy Independence, a strategic imperative for South Korea. For decades, South Korea has grappled with the challenges of energy insecurity. Lacking significant domestic energy resources, it has been heavily reliant on imports, primarily from the volatile Middle East. This dependence on foreign oil has left South Korea vulnerable to price shocks, supply disruptions, and geopolitical turmoil. The Pohang Yonggil Bay oil discovery represents a watershed moment in South Korea's quest for energy independence. The ability to source a significant portion of its energy domestically reduces its reliance on foreign suppliers, enhancing its energy security and bolstering its strategic autonomy. This newfound energy independence has profound implications for South Korea's foreign policy. It reduces its vulnerability to external pressure and allows it to pursue a more independent course in international affairs. No longer beholden to the whims of energy suppliers, South Korea can make strategic decisions based on its national interests, not energy security concerns. Moreover, energy independence strengthens South Korea's hand in regional affairs. As a major energy player in the region, South Korea can leverage its energy resources to foster cooperation, build alliances, and promote stability. It can also reduce its reliance on potential adversaries for energy, enhancing its security and reducing the risk of economic coercion. Narrator at 1x. Stay tuned for more updates on South Korea's energy revolution. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.